Welcome to another video by Pharos Technology. Today I want to talk to you about a couple different advanced report grouping techniques that I've used before. And so let's get started. The report that I'm going to work on, I've kind of half built. It's basically only a list. You see Northwind January sales. It's just a list of sales by order date here. And so I'm going to put this in design view by right-clicking on the tab. First thing I want to do is open up my grouping by clicking the group and sort button on the ribbon and adding a group. And the first thing I'm going to do is group it by company name. And I'm going to sort with the A on the top. I'm going to sort it by only the first character of the name. So my group is going to be only by the A, the B, the C, and so forth, just by that first character. Then I'm going to leave all this other settings as they are, and then I'm going to add a sort, and I'm going to sort by the full company name in this case. I'm going to leave it the entire value by company name. That's so that I get the AB, AC, AD sorted correctly. And then I'm going to sort from oldest to newest on the order dates. So it's going to be sorted by company name, and they have multiple orders. They're going to be sorted by order date. Okay? So here we have it all set up, company name sorted, then order date sorted, and we're ready to go. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to treat the grouping a little bit differently than I have in the past. So what I'm going to do is put a text box in the company name header. I'm going to delete the label because I have no need for the label. So we'll hit the delete key on that. And then in the unbound section here, I'm going to go grab a formula off a notepad I have over there, and I'll open it up so you can see the formula here. So what the formula does is it says, okay, I'm going to give the first leftmost character of the company name, and I'm going to put it up in the company header. Now, it's already grouping by that first letter, so I know that I'm going to want to see that letter. Now, because my heading was 22, I'm going to make the label here 22 also in the group. And then when I preview this, what you'll see is that now I have this nice big capital letter in my grouping header that allows me to quickly denote that these are the A customers, these are the B customers, these are customers beginning with C. And you notice they're sorted by their order date, and the bottom dollar markets, for example, also even eliminated the duplication in the records. Okay, now let's go ahead and look at our second example here. And we're going to work with the same January sales alpha report that we started with. But this time what we want to do is, instead of banding it by company name, we're going to band it by the order date from the oldest to newest. And I'm going to choose that I want each of the bands to be by week. Okay? Now I'm going to add a sort here, because if we have this sorted by order date, of course, within each band from oldest to newest, and I don't need any more. And now what we want to do is put another unbound text box in the grouping area. Then I'm going to go ahead and copy a formula from over on my text pad again. And this formula is going to be just a little bit different. It's just going to add context to the date that's up in the header. I'm just going to say week beginning and then the order date. So what's going to happen is it'll start with each beginning of each week, which is a Monday, and the beginning of each week will be listed and then go forward from date to date. And I'm going to go ahead and make this one bold just to give it a little bit of, better look and feel. Let's go see what it looks like. And there's what it looks like. Let's go ahead and expand that. And now we have week beginning 1/1, January 19. And then we have the by order date list of the people who ordered during that week, and then their order IDs. So that's how to do it. And if you liked what you saw in this video, it's a couple great tips. I hope you can use them. Please hit that like button, subscribe, and hope to see you again later. Thanks.